Hi everyone, how are we doing today? I hope everyone is doing fine. Hi, I'm used to snoring men. I dated my ex for 4 years and we cohabited before we broke up. He snores. I'm used to his snoring. His snoring is like a music to my ears and it's therapeutic. I can only sleep if I hear a snore. It's like waste sand. Each time it's not around, I don't sleep and it keep me awake and worrying. We broke up for 3 weeks now and I have been surviving on sleeping. Let me just put sleeping P. Oh, I've been surviving with sleeping. Let me not use that P. Let me use F. Sleeping F. I am actually getting used to it. My new man is worried. He does not snore. I cannot sleep without taking that stuff. I've seen a doctor, a therapist. I think going back to my ex might be the solution. But he's hurt me so badly that I don't want to hear anything about him. My new man loves me so much. He's such a cute and responsible guy, but he does not snore. I need help. Yes. I think this topic describes someone who become accustomed to sleeping beside a partner who snores for years. She's used to it and now associates that sound with a comfort, chronic security, and sleep. This can happen. People sometimes become conditioned to certain sound, routine, or environment that help them fall asleep quickly. So my advice will be like that you should recognize that the issue may be the routine, not the ex-partner. The sound. You can look for a snoring. Let me just give you one example. Now you can go online or YouTube and look for a snoring sound. You understand me, guys? What do you think? You can look for a snoring sound. You know, missing a familiar sleep sound does not necessarily mean that the relationship should be revived. It's something that happened that make you broke up with him. So it might simply be that your brain is connected to that sound with bedtime and relaxation. So I think this can be easily fixed. Just look for a snoring sound online. Give yourself more time. Like 3 weeks after a breakup it's still very recent, especially after the amount of courtship. 4 years. It's not 4 years of courtship. That is a lot anyway. Sleep pattern often take time to adjust. Create a replacement sleep cue. Try maybe white sound, white noise, brown noise, or rain sound, ocean wave, or recording of gentle snoring sound. Many sleep apps out there, they offer sound that can mimic that background noise you are missing. If or another thing is, maybe when your ex-husband was sleeping, do you record him? You can also use that sound, to help yourself. you know Focus on your current relationship. If the new partner or your new boyfriend is caring and supportive, why are you still looking for snore? It's worth separating your sleep habit from your feeling about him. It's not snoring, it's not a flaw, it's just different from what you are used to, Continue working with professional, Since you have already seen a doctor and therapist, keep discussing the emotional side of the breakup and the sleep difficulties. They can help you, develop a healthier sleeping as pattern. The biggest concern is not that the new man does not know. It is that the breakup is still fresh in your mind, and it's adjusting to it is a major change. So with time and a new sleep routine, your dependent on the specific sound may fade away. Just give it some time, Don't because of a sleeping sound, a snoring sound, break up with this new guy. You said he's a very good person, he's a very nice guy, and you call it very cute. Why are you looking for snoring from your ex that did something wrong that make you dump him? Now you want to go back to him because of his snoring sound. Guys, advise this babe in the comment section, please. I'm short of words.